Margaret Morales in 40 by 52 cm rounds. Special treatment version 1 starts with lightning diamonds that are sprinkled on the white areas of the canvas. So you can place some right over here on her wrist, as well as on the white shades on the blue birds, and also on the white areas on her hair and on the flowers around her. Aurora by Margaret Morales in 40 by 52 cm round, special treatment version 2 now adds periwinkle pearls that we have sprinkled on the blue areas. So this would be on the blue birds as well as on the blue parts of her dress. Aurora version 3 special treatment by Margaret Morales now adds electric diamonds that we have used to fill in the jewel on her forehead. Simply follow the lines of the gold jewel that she's wearing and use the electric diamonds in place of your regular beads to give off this beautiful sparkle. You can also choose to place electric diamonds on some of the beads on her tassels, on the gems on her tassels, and I'm talking about these two gems, and of course right over here. This will really make her accessory stand out.